Hello! Today I will show you how to remove and put back earpad cushions on the Denon AH GC20 headphones. It's quite easy because these earpads are attached to the body of the headphones with small clips. To remove the earpads, start on the one side and pull off the pad. It should come off easily. If one side doesn't come off, try the other side of the pad. If your fingers don't work, you can carefully use a butter knife, sliding it behind the edge of the earpad and gently pushing to loosen the pad from the headphone housing. This should help release the earpad. To put the earpads back on, check for the letter on the inside edge of the earpad. There is a mark for the left or right side. After that, position the pad with the seam and letter side facing downward. Then gently press the pads into the headphone body until they snap into place. It really is that easy. You can use the same method to replace old and damaged earpads with new ones. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. Happy holidays!